Mga kaibigan, kasama po namin ngayon ang winner ng isang round trip ticket to Hong Kong. Interviewin muna natin siya. Sige na. Okay.
Hello. Good evening. I'm so happy to
What is the role of your family? They was? You did not expect?
the most important person in my life.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
No.